So what is Shein.com? So in this video, I'm going to talk about Shein affiliate program, what it is, and then of course how you can join Shein affiliate program is actually pretty straightforward process. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, subscribe for more tutorials, for more reviews, and for more tutorials on different platforms and applications. And now, without further ado, let's talk about first what Shein.com is. let's So Shein, in simple words, is just in a couple of words, I mean, it's just about fashion and stuff for women, as you can see, clothes and beauty products, accessories, and yeah, it's really popular. Shein.com, they're a huge company, huge platform. She is shipping to over 200, 1,200, even more countries, and they've got more than 100 million people sign up. So yeah, now you can join Shein affiliate program. You can promote their clothes, their beauty products, and if you promote their products, someone clicks on your affiliate link, you'll make money, you'll earn a commission. So it's free to join, and you have to sign up. The thing here, you won't be able to find any link here to join their affiliate program, but what you have to do to sign up to their affiliate program is actually to use one of their partners. I think one partner is Share a Sale, and the other one that I use is called CJ Affiliates, this one. All right, and you have to join this partner, right? This website. So what you have to do here is to click on sign up here, and then here you'll see partner with world's best brands, earn commissions by partnering with the world's most widely recognized brands. And click on sign up here. Now here, what you have to do here is to enter first, to select your language, and then here, then country, select your country here, and then enter your email. This field is required, so enter your email. This field obviously required as well. So here, enter your password, confirm your password, and then click on I'm not a robot. Now I already have a CJ account, so I'll just log in my CJ account, and then I'll show you there how you can join. Now Shein, now like CJ affiliates, you can use, as I said, to join a Shein program. And CJ affiliates is just a huge global network. This really connects folks who want to make money through affiliate marketing. They work with a lot of advertising and publishers in different areas, not just for fashion. And it's a good idea to join this program. You'll be able to find other publishers as well. So now you just have to make an account to join Shein through CJ Affiliate, and provide some info about your business, about your website. Make sure your blog fits Shein style, and you'll get a unique affiliate link. So now I'm going to show you here, because I just sign into my CJ Affiliates account, and now here I can find advertisers. And here, if I enter Shein, I can be able to find this advertiser Shein. So here I can click on apply to program, and I can see here some categories, services, description, and so now let me explain this, exactly this description. So if you're interested in this Shein affiliate program, well, this big global fashion and lifestyle online store As you can see here, their goal is to make fashion accessible to everyone. They use fancy technology and smart procedures, design and source their products. And but the thing here is that they only work with affiliates in certain countries. So that's why I decided to explain this, because they only approve countries from this list, which is as February 2023. You're in luck if you're from US, Spain, Mexico, France, UK, Germany, Italy, Australia, Belgium, Sweden, Netherlands, Portugal, Ireland, Greece, and or Hungary. So if you're not in one of these, on one of those places, sorry, but your orders won't count for the affiliate program, and your account could get suspended, or your commissions rate might drop if you keep sending orders from non-approved countries. So now the good stuff is the if you were able to get in, you'll be able to get a like 10% commission rate, which is pretty sweet. Plus, when someone clicks on your affiliate link, you'll get credit for their purchase for 30 days. And on average, folks spend around $72 on they shop on Shein with a conversion rate of 5%. So if you could get in, and yeah, you could get in, then the net deals are nice. But yeah, now after you get approved to this affiliate program, you can apply from here, get link. Then once you are approved, then you can click on here, get link, and here get products. And then, if you have a website, a YouTube channel, Instagram account, or another social platform, you can just share your link. Once you create like some like if there's a YouTube channel, you can create content surrounded that niche. So if it's a YouTube channel that's about and you should have a YouTube channel that's about clothes or something that's similar to this program, right? To this advertiser. So because if something different, you have a YouTube channel that's about tech, then it's not even worth trying, sharing or creating videos that's totally different niche, and is a totally it's about different niche. But if you have a blog and it's about, or a YouTube channel and it's about the same, and it is in the same niche, you can simply create tutorials, can create reviews of some products, and then share some discounts. You can just buy some products from Shein, and then just create some reviews and leave your affiliate in the description of your video. These reviews can really it's really helpful for someone. Let's say I'm a customer, I like to buy some products from Shein, but I'm not sure if the products are good. So that's my problem, is to solve the way you can solve my problem. You can create a review of a product from Shein and then publish on YouTube. And then people can click on your affiliate link. You can say, like, if you want to support my YouTube channel, you can buy this product through my affiliate link. That's how you can make some sales. Now you can also compare products, some Shein products from other stores, from other online stores. So other online fashion store, you can compare with Shein. So you can create some versus stores, some top products tutorials, videos, sorry, not tutorial, some versus, like compare and all the top products from Shein fashion store, something like that. There's so many ideas, so many things you can do. And it's just gonna take time. It's not easy, just remember, you need to be consistent if you decide to create this. And if you like, make sure you like fashion. If you are interested in promoting this product, make sure you're interested in this niche in fashion, because you create so many tutorials, so many videos. if you're interested in that niche, you're passionate, you know. So it's really important if you are passionate to go into this niche, because it's gonna take time. Whether you build a YouTube channel, whether you build a blog, now it's still gonna take a lot of time, and you need to learn a lot. There's a learning curve. You need to learn so many things. If you start a blog, you need to learn to write. If you start a YouTube channel, you need to learn to edit, to write, because you write scripts. You need to buy a camera to record yourself, or you don't have to. You can record just the product, but you need to record product. You need a good mic. I mean, it's not professional. Don't get me wrong, like, you don't have to buy professional stuff, don't need a professional camera, just a good mic, a decent webcam, you know, camera, and then you can record. Now for a blog, as I said, you need to learn to write better blogs and do research. So there's some skills you need to have in order to build this business. And also affiliate marketing takes a lot of time, and now so many other things you need to learn. There's a learning curve, not only for affiliate marketing, but as I said, for just building a blog or a YouTube channel. There's so many things you need to learn. So expect that's gonna be hard. It's gonna take time, and I really hope you found my video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you the best.